good morning. A beautiful day. Sure, it's gonna be very hot. Had a great time yesterday at the beach. Today we keep it quiet. I don't feel 100%. I don't know where everybody is. Let's go and check. Oh, you here for sure. Yeah, hello. I meant to work on the storage room. Ah, everybody here. Okay. Ah, more work. That's not shoes. Is that your shoes? Doesn't look like. Bella wants to show me something. What's up? Yeah? Oh, she want me to sit, mommy. Okay, my love. Oh, you're so kind. So caring. You want daddy sit there? It's gonna be too hot. Mommy should have opened the window up there.
It's too hot there too.
Let some air in. No.
No.
She doesn't like. Okay, leave it closed.
The sun is there. Wait,
Uh-oh. Water pressure pump is going really well. No issue. Just last time, as you remember, the contactor on the pressure switch needed to be kind of clean. Still running pretty good. Now I had a little leak here. I'll show you. Right there you can see I put some kind of glue around, and this morning I open up, I just wait a little while, no leak whatsoever. So I didn't have to dismantle everything. That's important because I had a lot of leak when I first put those pipes. I had a leak here, which I had to redo it. I had a leak here, which I had to redo as well. I had a leak on the shoulder, on the elbow, almost everywhere. And I had a leak near the return valve. And I had to rework everything, but with this product, and I'm going to show you what I bought, that may help you as well. This is what I use. Liquid seal. So cheap, 65 pesos. No more leak up there. So if you got a leakage on your pipe work, even if you have like a hole on your pipe or something, you can cover with this. It's very good. I'm amazed. Excellent. Okay, I'm happy. That's good. Now we can have a shower again. I will come back and keep an eye again, but I think it's fine. I got two jobs to be done. It's to connect this pressure pump properly. At the moment I just got the extension, so I need to do something. And talking about electric, I bought a circuit breaker of 30 amps to connect the power generator, and this is where all the cable came down. I'll see if I can go there for now, despite my back. So I got an empty cable coming down. I can see from the electric box, the panel, and this is the one. Actually, this is the one. I'm sure it's got nothing there. It's got nothing there, so I'm going to use this to connect. So I got some protection cable out there. You can see orange on the floor, so I can run that from here to the front, to the side of the house up there where I'm showing now on the screen, and then to the power generator. This is how the cable is running now for the power generator, which is not on. Just happy I've got enough of this. If not, I can buy more. That's not a big deal. So let's see all the cable I've got here. I know I got spare cable that can help, and then I can connect at the end of this. This is what I got, up to 600 volts. 2-C 2mm. Yeah, I need to walk around. I can't stay on the chair or the bed always, so I'm walking around. And I'm sure we'll feel better towards the afternoon. So if I can get all the cable ready and then connect it the last minute. So I'll show you what I bought yesterday. 420 pesos. Was that about $8 roughly? 2 years warranty. Cotan, a good brand, I think. 230 amps. So I bought two because I know aircon. If I put one in our bedroom, it will be 1 horsepower only. The bedroom is small. So, but I thought I'll buy a double so I can have the aircon and the power generator. Okay, so that's what I got. I need to find a way to get an interlocking system. I couldn't find anything here, so I may have to make one up. Yeah. So let's go and see which cable I've got in my shed. Okay, so connecting the power generator, I got a lot of cable here. I got this one, that one. They're not cheap, so I can do one run with everything I've got here. Yep, so I'll do that. All the parts are coming back. Okay, I just came to check that leak and it's all pretty good. No problem. Okay, let's go back home. I can see a lot of black clouds coming in. Yesterday we were lucky at the beach. No rain. But today, I think rain. You got one for Daddy? Thank you, my love. Lunchtime. Beautiful spaghetti with squid. That's got squid already. Yum. Well done. Well done, boss. I love spaghetti. Yeah, we had a little bit more rain and I had a good rest. Just wake up a little bit late to do the rest of the job for the power generator. So I'll do that in the morning. I got the cable ready. It's the cable all ready to go. And that one too. We'll do that in the morning. It's 4:30 and Bella's still sleeping. So that's why we can't make any noise. It hasn't stopped raining. And still raining again. Good morning. Beautiful day so far. Yeah, I'm going to run this cable today. I don't know if I can slide this one through the conduct, so let's go try that. Before anything else, switch off the man. Man is off. What do you want here? Okay, we got one free conduct here. Let's use this one. Stop! Okay. Okay, the cab is here. Let's go upstairs now. Okay, it's there. Now let's have a look at the circuit breaker. Where to put it and have some kind of interlocking system. So I should put in the same direction.
Yeah, because you're a bit stupid. Get up from there.
So this is off, and this should be on. Can't see a thing. Okay, it's on this way. That's not the right one. That's not the right one. So I need to exchange this. I hope I've still got the... Damn it. Okay, tomorrow we go to town. I got the receipt, so I'm gonna exchange it. No big deal. Hey!
Mr.
Those
Kadak.
bad dogs, they're terrible.
Mr. Kadak.
Open. Come
Hi,
in.
you. How are you?
Have a seat. Go, go. Oh, happy now? Yeah, yeah, she dancing. A little bum out. So, yeah, Robert just came from Canada. Oh, sorry, Singapore. And apparently it's very, very expensive now there. A taxi from home to the airport, about the same distance, $50, 50 US dollar, or 50 Canadian dollar?
50 US.
US dollar in both sides. Well, it's Canada or Singapore. It's crazy. Restaurant, spaghetti.
Between $50 and $60 for pasta.
That's terrible. We were
That's
planning.
a little restaurant around the river. It's not
Yeah.
a high-class restaurant.
You've been to that street food street?
Oh, yes.
And is that expensive too? Wow. No, I think we take this one off the bucket list. That's awful.
It's getting really, really expensive.
So how are a lot of Filipino working up there? It must be.
Oh, there's a lot of Filipino work here.
Yeah.
There's a lot.
I mean, salary must be in accordance to.
Oh, I don't think so.
No.
Because you know where they live? They live on those big apartments
Building,
outside with narrow room. And,
Like Hong Kong. Yeah.
and they don't get a big salary.
That's terrible. That's not good. Oh well. It's banana for Robert, okay? Okay, Robert's gone, but he's coming back on the weekend. Check his house. Yeah. My sciatica and tablets doesn't make me think well, so I grabbed the wrong circuit breaker. Anyway, that's okay. We'll buy it tomorrow. We'll buy the right one tomorrow. We exchange. I got the receipt, everything, so that's okay. And then we'll continue after that to install. I could install it right now with another existing circuit breaker, but I want to do the right way. So just leave it. Tomorrow we see how we're going to connect the rest of it. I may see I got enough conduct to put under the house to protect the cable. If not, I can buy even more tomorrow. I'm probably going to buy more tomorrow, maybe buy another 10 meters. So cheap, it's not funny. So maybe I have a rest for the rest of the day. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.